Hello everyone. In today's lesson, we're going to learn about the linked analysis feature in SAP Analytics Cloud. This feature allows us to apply a filter to a specific chart or table. Let's look at an example. On this page, we have two charts. One is a line chart, which shows sales performance across different product categories. The second is a pie chart, which represents the sales contribution breakdown by company. Our goal is to add a filter for product category, but we want it to only affect the line chart and not the pie chart. Let's see how to do this. We'll start by adding an input control. We can select a dimension, and we'll choose product category. Let's select all members for now. Let's make this a bit bigger. First, let's observe the default behavior when we select a specific product category. Notice that both charts update. By default, a filter will apply to all widgets on the current page. However, we want the product category filter only apply to the line chart and have no effect on our pie chart for company sales. To achieve this, we need to use the linked analysis feature. Let's see how it works. From the Filters More Actions menu, you will see an option for linked analysis. Click Setup. By default, it's set to all widgets on this page. We are going to change this to only selected widgets. This lets us choose which widgets to affect. Now, we select the widget that we want this filter to apply to. In this case, we want it to apply to our line chart. Let's select it and click Apply. Now, let's save our changes. Let's test the result. This time, I'll first make sure all are selected. Now, if I select a single category, you can see the line chart updates to show data for the selected category, but notice the pie chart on the right remains unchanged. The pie chart continues to show the total sales breakdown across all companies. Let's try it again, this time selecting 2. As you can see, only the line chart is affected, while the pie chart does not change. Excellent. This is how to use linked analysis to make a filter apply only to one or more specific widgets. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.